Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is presented to you by Chiacon Consulting. In this video, we will learn about how to start a job recording in UiPath Studio by using UiPath Orchestrator. So in this video, we will learn about how we can record a job in UiPath, what is the benefit of job recording, and how to record screenshot of the process. So to learn about this, what I need to do is I'll open this UiPath Studio. I will publish this process in Orchestrator. So now this will go to my workspace, as you can see here. Okay, so now the project is published successfully. So now I'll open the Orchestrator, and here I will add another process that we have just published. So I'll click on this add process. I will select the project that we have published right now. On the additional settings page, I will provide the name as link recording, right? And now here we want to start the job recording. If I enable this button, so it is showing me two options. One is for video and one is for screenshot. In video we have two further options like record and store only failed jobs. So what it will do is it will record only those jobs which will get failed and which will show any pop-up, and which the failed jobs will be only get recorded if we select this button. And either what we can do is we can select this option record all jobs, and now what the orchestrator will do is once you run any job, it will record your screen as a screen recorder of all the execution. And we have another option which is screenshot. So what it will do is it will click a snapshot of your screen after every 500 milliseconds. So from here you can select screenshot or you can select video. So for this video I am clicking on this video. So we have provided a name. Now I will click on create. So this job has created, right? So I will start this job. So here in the jobs we can see right now it is pending. So once it start, it will run. So this was the process. It has to provide me this message box, which is done. Now I click on OK. Now it is showing me this job is successful. Now to check your recording, so you need to click on this I button. It will show me an option like this open recording. So I'll click on this open recording. See, now it has this recording just for 2 seconds. But if the process is for 3 minutes, so it will record all the process like your screen. So that's how you can record your video. And if you want, you can delete it from here, or else it will get deleted after 7 days. And I can close this. Now it does not have any video. Yes. So that is all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.